Hello guys, now I'm going for shopping and the place where I have to go is a bit far, so I'll have to take a bus. And in today's video I'm going to show you all how buses are in Japan, how tickets have to be taken and how we have to pay for the ride. So chalo. This is the bus stop from where I'm going to take the bus. Farming. I think it's strawberry farming. Wow, strawberries! Google Maps in Japan is very reliable. You can get to know the current location of the bus, at what time the bus is going to come at your stop. You'll get to know if it's on time or delayed. If you missed the bus, Google Maps will also show when the next bus is going to come for the same destination. And you can also see the cost of the ride in Google Maps. My bus has arrived. Oops! So guys, I have reached the destination. Hope you all understood what I was trying to do, because I was not allowed to talk in the bus. That is how it is in Japan. We are not even allowed to talk on our phones when we are in public transport. Wow, there's a Santa Claus over there. Let me show you. So guys, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.